Over 839 participants from 18 schools gathered for the 3-day Bosco Olympics 2023 at Don Bosco Silchar. 512 boys and 327 girls, alongside 75 teachers and 25 Salesians, competed in various sports, fostering camaraderie and showcasing athletic talent. The event, organized by Brother Reggie, aims to promote sportsmanship and provide students with valuable life skills. The grand finale on December 15th will be graced by prominent figures, including the provincial and potentially government officials, marking a grand celebration of sporting excellence and collaboration.